at this bird.
Can you see it?
Kinda. I mean, let me move in. Just pay attention to the black dot. Okay, one minute. I'll try to zoom in. Look at his neck. Wait. Just hope this bird doesn't like me for this. I mean, likes me for this. He's gonna be famous. Ooh. Come on, buddy. Munch, munch. You should be able to see him right about now. Look at it. Look at it eating. You see it? Look how fast it's going. Oh God, I think I scared it. And it's gone. Oh, wait, no it's not, See that behind the tree, kinda? Oh, it's doing it too. Oh no, it's going inside the tree. Okay. Oh God, wait. Oh no, it's coming! It's coming!